U.S. is continuing to project force in the region as U.S. Air Force, USAF, bombers were spotted apparently penetrating China's Air Defense Identification Zone, ADIZ, and nearing the northeast corner of Taiwan's on Tuesday, November. Despite a stalemate with the transfer of power between President-elect Joe Biden and President Donald Trump, the USAF is continuing its missions in East Asia, as demonstrated by plane tracker aircraft spots tweet Tuesday morning that two USAF B-1B bombers had allegedly flown into China's ADIZ. At 9:46 a.m., the plane spotter reported that two USAF B-1B Lancers had departed Andersen Air Force Base in Guam on their way to the East China Sea. The flight path shown by aircraft spots tweet shows the last recorded location of the bombers being just inside China's ADIZ in the East China Sea. The bombers' flight also took the warplanes very close to the northeast corner of Taiwan's ADIZ. If they continued on the same trajectory, they would have also entered Taiwan's ADIZ. The aircraft watcher added that two USAF Boeing KC-135R Stratonickers had also been detected providing aerial refueling for the bombers. Over the past 2 months, the People's Liberation Army Air Force, PLAF, has dramatically stepped up aggressive intrusions into Taiwan ADIZ. In addition, since October 30, China's newest Type 075 landing helicopter dock, LHD, has been prowling the South China Sea off the coast of Hainan Island at a location very close to the island of Taiwan, reported China's state-run mouthpiece The Global Times. Local media reports have cited military experts as suggesting that the flights by USAF warplanes in the region are a warning to China to not take any aggressive actions during the presidential transition. Two B-1B supersonic heavy bombers were reported cruising the skies to the northeast of Taiwan on Wednesday, May 6th, the third time this month they have patrolled the area. Twitter account Aircraft Spots at 3:44 p.m. on Wednesday announced that two variable sweep-wing B-1B Lancers took off from Andersen Air Force Base in Guam to carry out a mission in the East China Sea. The post added that a Boeing KC-135 Stratonicker also took part to provide in-flight refueling. Based on the map, the bombers flew over the waters off the coast of northeast Taiwan. Ministry of National Defense, MND, spokesman Shi Shunwen told reporters that Taiwan's military was in full control of the country's sea and airspace, without specifically mentioning the warplanes. According to Aircraft Spots, this was the third time American B-1B bombers had flown missions near Taiwan's airspace this month. The previous two missions took place on Friday, May 1st, and Monday, May 4th. Resumption of bomber missions by the U.S. Air Force is significant, as it suddenly withdrew its wing of B-52 bombers from Guam without notice on April 17th. This abruptly ended a continuous presence of US bombers on the base since 2004, stoking fears that the U.S. was pulling back from the region. The explanation offered by a Strategic Command spokesperson Kata Tanisoff that day was that it was shifting to a less predictable global deployment pattern. In line with the National Defense Strategy, the United States has transitioned to an approach that enables strategic bombers to operate forward in the Indo-Pacific region from a broader array of overseas locations, when required, and with greater operational resilience. While these bombers are permanently based in the United States, said Tanisoff, according to Stars and Stripes,